Hi guys, today I will show you how to use Shibui Finance with Claude. First go to Claude.ai. Then click on Customize, then on Connectors. Click on Add and add Custom Connector. Go to Shibui Finance and copy the URL. Then paste the URL in the form field and name it Shibui Finance. Click on Add and then on Connect. Make sure that the drop-down is always on Always Allow. Now Shibui Finance is ready to use. For an example, go on Shibui Finance, scroll down, copy the text, and paste it in Claude.ai. Now you will see Shibui Finance is working and delivering the requested results. If you have any questions, please reach out to Chris at shibui.finance.